This Limoncello Tiramisu is going to be your new favorite. It's a little twist on the traditional tiramisu. It's lighter, brighter, and tastes like sunshine. Hi, you're with Wendy and Shannon,
your favorite mother-daughter duo.
Ladyfinger cookies are soaked in sweet limoncello syrup and are then layered with silky lemon mascarpone cream to create this irresistible dessert.
So let's get started.
In a small saucepan, we're going to combine 1 1/4 cups of water with 1/3 cup of sugar. We're going to stir it over medium heat until the sugar dissolves. Once all the sugar has dissolved, we're going to take it off the heat, and to that we're going to add 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 1 cup of limoncello. And once again, we're going to give it a stir. Then we're going to pour it into a shallow dish and leave it aside to cool. And now for that creamy filling, we're going to grab a large bowl and we're going to add 680 grams or 24 ounces of chilled mascarpone cheese. And now let's take 2 cups of our delicious homemade lemon curd and add it to the bowl. And if you want that recipe, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Now with our mixer on a medium speed, we're going to blend the two together till it's smooth and creamy. Now to the bowl, we're going to add 1/4 cup of lemon juice and 1/3 cup of that favorite limoncello. Let's mix it all together again, but make sure not to overmix. Let's keep that aside, and in a separate bowl, we're going to whip up 2 cups of heavy cream with 1/2 cup of confectioner sugar or icing sugar. And we're going to whisk it till we have stiff peaks. In 2 batches, we're gently going to fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture, and we're going to use the cut and fold method to mix it in, making sure that we do not deflate the cream while mixing. This is going to give us that lovely silky and airy custard. It's time to assemble. So the best way to do this is to create a little workstation. We're going to have the ladyfingers kept first, then we're going to have the sweet limoncello syrup, and then we're going to have the mascarpone custard. So we're going to take 1 ladyfinger cookie at a time and dip it into the limoncello syrup. And you've got to be quick here while doing it. You don't want to make the cookie soggy. And then you're going to arrange it in a single layer in a 9 by 13 inch dish. Once you have the bottom layer all covered with the cookies, you're going to spoon out half of the mascarpone custard before you smooth it out and make an even layer of the custard on top of the cookies. Now we're going to repeat the process of putting another layer of the dipped ladyfingers on the top. So once again, we're going to take a ladyfinger cookie, dip it into the sweetened limoncello syrup, and lay it down on top of the mascarpone custard. Now we're going to take the remaining mascarpone custard and we're going to spoon it on top of the ladyfingers. And using our offset spatula, we're going to even that out till we have a smooth layer. Let's refrigerate this for at least 4 hours, but overnight is definitely going to give you the best results because it's going to give all those flavors and the cookies a chance to soak in each other's company. If you're having a big gathering, you can also make the tiramisu in individual cups so it becomes easy to serve. And now we're going to decorate it with swirls of whipped cream flavored with a little lemon curd. You could make these swirls as big or as small as you wanted, and it's a great way to create a guide for a serving size. And to finish it off, we're going to add a sprinkle of lemon zest on the top. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Now let's cut the tiramisu. So we're first going to cut it down lengthwise, and then we're going to cut out a nice square bit. We're going to scoop that out and put it onto a plate. And there you have it. Look how creamy and delicious that is. And now it's time to give the limoncello tiramisu a taste.
But before we do that, don't forget, if you're loving these videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified every time we upload a new video. And while you're at it, follow us on our social medias as well. Everything's linked in the description box down below. I'm so excited to give this a taste. All your tiramisus are so delicious. So
Yeah.
this is a summer special you're gonna want to try.
Yeah.
Cheers. Wow. That's heavenly.
Yeah. It's like summer in your mouth. See? You can't stop eating it.
Don't mind me. It's so delicious. It's citrusy. It's got like that freshness. You're gonna want to try this before the summer ends
Yeah.
because it's just that good.
Yeah. And I love the flavor of that limoncello in it. So don't forget to hop onto our website withwendyandShannon.com for the full written recipe. Thanks for watching. See ya.